Imagine trying to send a message across the world. How does your data know where to go and how to get there? The OSI Reference Model is the guide. It's like a roadmap for communication across networks, split into 7 layers. At the base, the physical layer, responsible for the actual connection. Cables, radio waves, and signals that carry data physically. The data link layer steps in next. It packages data into frames and ensures it's delivered without errors. The network layer is the navigator. It chooses the best route for data to travel, using IP addresses to guide the way. Then, the transport layer ensures your data is delivered in the right order. It breaks messages into packets and reassembles them at the destination. The session layer manages connections, opening and closing them between devices like a switchboard operator. Next is the presentation layer. It acts as a translator, converting data into formats the receiving device can understand. Finally, the application layer is what we interact with. Our web browsers, email clients, and messaging apps. Each layer has its job, making sure data moves smoothly and reliably. Without the OSI model, our devices couldn't communicate with each other. It's the invisible structure that keeps the internet connected and working.